how to sell Bitcoin on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sell Bitcoin on Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to actually sell Bitcoin on Binance, it's actually quite very simple to do so, but you need to have Bitcoin to sell Bitcoin. So assuming you have one, you can open up your home tab over here. This is the kind of interface that you see by default, and right here you will see this little option. So tap on this little option, and here you can see sell crypto to USD. So tap on sell. Now in my case, I don't have Bitcoin, but I have got this FDUSD, which is First Digital USD. But if you have Bitcoin, you'll find your Bitcoin here. Select that and just enter for how much amount you want to sell. So currently I have 0.22 FUSD, so I'll just type in 0.22, then I'll just tap on the sell option here. Once I tap on sell, I will be able to go ahead and then sell them once it reaches the minimum amount. This way you will be able to sell Bitcoin on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.